Question 38. What is the number of possible permutations of 8 objects taken 3 at a time? Now, I'm not really a fan of this question because, again, it doesn't show you know anything, and we can go to Desmos and just get the answer in 2 seconds, and I'll show you that. But what really a permutation? It's saying we have 8 different objects or 8 people, and we want to take 3 of them. In other words, we want to put somebody in the first spot, somebody in the second spot, somebody in the third spot. That's what this is meaning. Now, let's say we're putting somebody in the first spot. I have 8 people to pick from. So how many options do I have? 8. How many am I going to put in the second spot? Well, you've already picked somebody for the first. You only got 7 here. And then how many for the third spot? 6. So all I got to do is multiply these numbers. 8 times 7 times 6. Okay. And 8 times 7 times 6 is 336. Yep, that's right. 336. Yep, 336. Because 8 times 42 is 336. So there's our answer. 336. Done. But, okay, permutation. There's different formulas. I mean, your main formula, they will say, you could look at your formula sheet and it's going to say something like n factorial, n minus the r value factorial. Okay. So we could do on the calculator 8 factorial, 8 minus r. How many do we want? R was the 3 factorial. So you have 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial. You could do that on a calculator. You're going to get, guess what? 336. Now let's look at Desmos. We could come to Desmos. Open it up. There's a permutation button on here. Open this up. I go to my functions. I scroll down in functions. And where is it? There's somewhere in here. I know she's in here. There she is right there. NPR. I come over to NPR. All I got to do is put the 2 numbers in. 8, right, comma, 3 at a time. What does it give you? Guess what? 336. I don't even need to know what a permutation is. If it asked me a combination, I could have used the NCR button. Okay. So there you have the answer to this problem.